Alright man, here is your 8586 quad sport harnesses right here, all set up and ready to go for you. We'll start at the front. I guess you know these are your headlight connectors. These aren't plastic, these are ceramic. They don't melt, nothing like that. They are housed in a plastic deal, but the connector itself is ceramic. So you got all fresh matching color wiring, bullet connectors, everything's matching OEM colors, plug and play for easy hookup. No guessing games there. Just plug it up and go. And I'll show you what they look like here. There's your ground ring, and the factory harness has another ground footer back here. These don't have that. I'll remove that one ground so it looks a little cleaner. Just be sure that this ground, be sure your frame is clean. They put two grounds on there just to assure that the harness makes a ground in case one is dirty. So to to clean it up some, I just removed that. So just be sure your frame's nice and clean. You're good to go. Here's your coil. Your hookups back here, looking nice and clean. This will be your CDI. This will be your stator. There you go. And then on back to your tail light. OEM connectors, OEM wire, or OEM wire color rather, for plug and play. And there you go, man. Hope you like them. Let me know when you get them. Shoot me some pictures of them on your bike, and I'll use them in my ads. You have a good one.